right there, YouTube. We are on Q17, Monday. We're going to be looking at a word problem with equal groups. Okay, a word problem with equal groups and how to model division. Okay, so we're looking at Mrs. Rivera walked 4 miles a day for 5 days. How many miles did Mrs. Rivera walk altogether? So 4 miles a day for 5 days. So each circle is going to be a day. And then we're going to put the number 4 in each one of the circles to represent the 4 miles that are done in 5 days. Now at this point you could skip count by 4s, 4, 8, 12, 16, 24. What happened? 4, 8, 12, oh my bad. Or you could go 5 groups of 4. Make it a multiplication problem. 5 groups of 4. Either way, this is called like an equal groups problem. Equal groups. It's a multiplication problem, obviously. It's not even a multiplication problem, really. It's also an addition problem. Depends on how you want to look at it. Multiplication is addition. Multiplication is just repeated addition. So you, depending on where you're at in your math game, you could see that as 5 groups of 4 as a multiplication problem, or you could just do repeated addition. Okay. What division problem does this represent? Okay. We've talked about it before. You want to see kind of maybe the circles as friends. So you have 3 friends. So you have whatever being shared among 3 friends. We've talked about in the past, when you see that division sign, you could think about sharing. When you divide something up, you're sharing it amongst people, right? Hey, can you divide that sandwich up into 3 parts to give my friends? So when you're dividing, you're sharing something, or you're breaking something apart into pieces. Okay, so we know that we have 3 friends here. We just don't know how much is being shared. So at this point, you could just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 15 of whatever shared amongst 3 friends. And then the equal sign, just think of it as how much is each person getting. So 15 cookies shared among 3 friends. Each person gets 5. Now, another way to figure this out is look at it as a multiplication problem, because multiplication is the inverse of division. So let me start over here. So this was the original problem. We had 5 in each. And then we had blank divided by blank equals. Did they give us any of the numbers? No. So I already showed you how to figure out how to do it one way. Here's another way. You could go, ooh, each person gets 5. Do you see how I'm filling in the 5 first now? Whereas in over here, I filled in the 3 first. I was like, oh, there's 3 friends. Now I'm filling in the 5 first. So you can kind of slowly, how many friends are here? 3. And then because multiplication is the inverse of division, think of it as 5 times 3 equals 15. Do you see how these are related with one another? That's part of a fact family. We've talked about fact families before. So if you know your multiplication facts, as soon as you see 5 and 3, you probably know that the other number is 15 because you know your multiplication facts well enough.